Hi, East Texas. Thanks for checking back in with us here at CBS 19 Plus. We're really rolling through November. In fact, we're up to the second last weekend of the month, and soon it will be December. And we know it gets cold in December, or at least it can get cold. So what does that new month look like? We'll take a look at that coming up here in just a little bit. But let's talk about this past week. It has been a colder than average week here across East Texas. You'll remember back on Monday, we had temperatures in the mid-40s. Tuesday was the coldest day as temperatures only made it up to 43 degrees. We got to the middle part of the week. We had a little bit of sunshine up to 56, and then a beautiful day yesterday, 58. And we've been dealing with a cold front coming in today, but ahead of that front on Friday, we managed to make it up to 59. I think it will be decidedly cooler over the weekend as highs may not get out of the 40s tomorrow, Saturday, or Sunday, probably only into the lower 50s. And then Monday, we're looking at highs in the upper 40s with a chance of rain. All right, the overall upper level wind flow looks like this, and this is the reason that we have been so cold here recently. We have high pressure on the west coast. Of course, around high, the upper level flow dives or lifts all the way into Canada, and then it dives southward. So it's up here in the Northwest Territories, tagging or clipping, just attaching itself to some air up there that is currently in single digits and in teens, and then it brings that cold air all the way down to the southern plains and into parts of East Texas. And as it does that, we have the chilly air in place. And at the same time, we've got a west to southwest flow coming off the Pacific, bringing plenty of clouds our way. And that's why Saturday will be so cloudy with a couple showers around, especially the farther south you travel. This little disturbance here in Southern California will move overhead Monday, and that will bring us a chance of rain here in East Texas Monday into Monday night. And then now it looks like with new data coming in, Tuesday, Wednesday would likely be dry, and we could find ourselves with a little more rain on Thanksgiving Day. The 10-day temperature trend here, cool weekend with highs only in the lower 50s. And then close to average Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And by Monday, the 28th, temperatures should be back above average. Remember, the average high here is 67. As we get to the end of the month, the average high falls to 63. So by the end of the month, I think temperatures will be above average. All right, here's future Skycast. This is Saturday afternoon, 3 o'clock. We've got some light to steady rain from Crockett over toward Lufkin and Hemphill. Rest of us are cloudy and dry, maybe some rays of sunshine up around Mount Pleasant. We'll widen things out here, and we'll watch this disturbance move by. Sky clears out Sunday. Sunday's a gorgeous day, but then we start to see clouds increasing late Sunday afternoon into Sunday night, and overnight into Monday, more rain moves back in, and so Monday we deal with scattered showers off and on right on through the evening. That's why I think highs could be in the 40s on Monday with those rain showers, and then the sky clears behind that. This is likely Tuesday's weather. Wednesday's weather likely dry, and like we said, Thanksgiving looks like it could feature some rain. So looking at the rainfall so far in the month of November here in Tyler, trace of rain on the 3rd with severe weather on the 4th, and then a little bit of rain on the 7th, followed by another solid area of rain and drizzle on the 11th. And then we had another chance or another shower storm move by on Monday of this week, and that produced about 0.3 of an inch of rain. So for the month, we're a little bit behind now here in Tyler and about a ½ inch behind in Longview and in Lufkin. New drought index came out yesterday, and we have some abnormally dry areas over parts of East Texas. Now we just have moderate drought from Shreveport to Nacogdoches to Lufkin to Crockett. So this has improved over the last couple of weeks. I would expect next week not much improvement, probably not much change. So Monday's showers go by. Tuesday's travel weather now looks pretty decent with clearing skies. Wednesday, hill country, few showers. Heading into Thanksgiving, it looks like a cold front moving through, and so maybe by the end of the day, Thursday, we're dealing with some showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms. But all in all, the weather forecast for Thanksgiving travel now looking a lot better than it had looked earlier in the time frame. All right, so rainfall on Saturday is really light. Monday, we're producing about 1/10 of an inch of rainfall into Tuesday morning, and then we'll see what happens with Thursday. But again, it's trending away from rain for Thursday, for Thanksgiving Day, and the lead up, the couple of days running up to Thanksgiving Day. So the rain chances are at 0% on Sunday, 40% chance Monday, back down to a 0% chance Tuesday, 20% chance Wednesday into Thursday, and then that ends fairly early Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday next week look dry for that final weekend of November. All right, here's the hour-by-hour forecast for Saturday. 40 at 9 a.m. with cloudy skies heading through the middle part of the day. A north wind, kind of chilly at around 10 miles an hour, mostly cloudy, and temperatures still in the mid-40s. And by the middle part of the afternoon with a north wind at 5 to 10, a high temperature of just 49 degrees. Breaking that down, going county by county here as we head through Franklin, Titus, and Morris County. You're looking at high temperatures right around 49 degrees also into Camp County. Back toward and closer to Tyler in Longview, Gilmer in Upshur and Wood County, right around 50 degrees. Tyler and Longview around 49. Jacksonville, that little light rain shower could possibly cross during the very early morning hours Saturday, otherwise dry, 52 over to Carthage. Palestine around 49, and then over deep East Texas, you've got temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s under cloudy skies at Lufkin and Hemphill and over towards Center. Here's the Baylor Scott White Texas Spine and Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. So scattered showers on Saturday, a high temperature of 49. Look how cold it is Sunday morning. We're down to 29 with mostly sunny skies Sunday afternoon and a high temperature of 52. Then scattered showers on Monday, 50 for the high. And this is a really nice change. Again, the data has changed. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday look a lot better now. Highs in the lower 60s. Some AM showers possible, clearing in the afternoon on Thanksgiving. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, temperatures are in the lower 60s with sunshine and back above average. But what about the outlook as we head into December here? We're looking at much warmer than average temperatures around Denver, over to St. Louis. It looks like it'll be close to average on the East Coast here in East Texas, favoring warmer than average temperatures in that time frame. Again, remember, the average high in this time frame here is about 62 to 63, and we should be in that 66, 64, 65, 66 degree range. In terms of precipitation, we are drying out. We'll have drier than average rainfall through that same time frame. And when you widen things out, you'll see above average rainfall for the West Coast, and it stays drier than average over much of the eastern two-thirds of the country. So definitely a drier trend as we head into December, and then a wetter trend out on the West Coast for that same time frame. All right, let's break down the month of December in East Texas. As we know, it get pretty cold here at times. If you look at some of the record cold, it's been as cold as 2 degrees right before Christmas in 1929 and again in 1989. Start of the month this month, the average high is 63, the average low is 42. By the end of the month, 57 with an average low of 37. The average wind speeds are out of the south at around 10 miles an hour. And when it comes to rain and snow, well, we start to see a little increase in the average amount of rain and snow, where we see just a little more than 4 inches of both rain and snow across East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Have a great weekend.